Chives are native to the Balkans, an area that includes modern-day Turkey, Greece, Bulgaria, and parts of southwestern Russia. Over the centuries, the herb has become naturalized throughout most of Europe and can be found as far north as Britain and as far east as Japan. It has been cultivated in Europe since the Middle Ages, both for culinary and medicinal purposes, and as long as 4,000 years ago by the Chinese. The plant grows in dense clumps of slender bulbs, each bulb producing hollow tubular leaves 8 to 20 inches long. The soft-textured blue-green leaves emerge in spring before the plant blooms and will continue to produce new leaves throughout the growing season, so the plant remains fresh-looking. In mild climates, the plants may remain evergreen, but in cold climates, the foliage is killed over the winter. Chives grow well with just about anything: grapes, tomatoes, carrots, broccoli, cabbage, eggplant, kohlrabi, mustard, peppers, potatoes, rhubarb, roses, squash, and strawberries all do well when growing near chives. Asparagus, beans, peas, and spinach, however, have a harder time growing when planted near chives. Chives are a good source of calcium, iron, phosphorus, and sulfur. They also contain high amounts of potassium, vitamins A and C. Vital nutrients in chives are beneficial for the digestive system as well as the blood circulation. They have similar properties to those of garlic.